How to change background in Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the background in Instagram story, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. And here, what you simply need to do is you have to select a picture or simply click a picture over here. So I'm going to select a picture from the gallery. So let's select a random picture over here. So let me just tap on it. And as it selects the picture, what you can simply do is tap on this arrow down icon at the right side of the screen and select on draw option. Now let's tap on any of the colors that you'd like the background to be. So I'm going to select on this pink one and then simply make a long press on the screen. So as you do that, the whole screen will turn pink. Now what you simply need to do is tap on this eraser icon at the top of the screen and erase the part where you'd want to show the real picture. And that's how you can simply change the background in Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.